Hello guys, welcome to the AC Tech channel. In today's video, we will be finding the solution of the problem how to make your Instagram account private. For this, firstly you have to open your Instagram. After opening Instagram, you have to go to your profile page. You can see in the top right corner there is an option of setting. You just have to click on it. By clicking on it, we have come to the section of setting and activity, and from here you can see there is another option of account privacy in which we have to click. You can see the account is public right now. There is option of private account. We just have to click on this button. Switch to private. Now our account has been private. For seeing it, we will check it from another ID. So, as you can see now our account has been private. So, hope you liked the video. Thank you.